I have like 12 minutes to get ready, so it's gonna be quick, but I still want to look pretty, so I'm just gonna do my best. Curl my lashes while my skincare does its work. Some lip balm. Honestly, I hate being in a rush, but it's my own fault. Bringing back some color to my face. This is my favorite blush, and it has the name Cutie, so it's extra cute. concealer. This one is also by SAIE. I love this brand. It's so clean as well. That's why I love it. I think that's it. Now I'm gonna go in with my setting powder, the Huda Beauty in banana bread. I will do the rest of my face for a more natural look with the Hourglass Ambient palette. I love this. Also hit the pen in the middle, but the other two are still there, so still going strong. Now for bronzer, this is the Charlotte Tilbury powder bronzer in tan. I will also do my eyes with this, just a little bit of eyeshadow like that. I think that's okay. And now I still have to do some blush. Just gonna take this from the Hourglass palette. We are gonna set my makeup now. Oh my god, we're already 10 minutes. I have like 2 minutes left. Okay, so I'm gonna do the most important, my brows first. Oh no. This is the micro brow pen from NYX in the shade Ash Brown. Honestly, I hate running late. Okay, that's it. I'm gonna set it with this gel. It's a clear gel from Benefit. Now I'm gonna quickly tightline because I can't go without. Just gonna take this dark brown from the Makeup by Mario palette just to the end of my eyes, like this. Blend. Oh my god, I'm really late. I am really late. Just real quick. Need to do some mascara and lip combo, so I'm almost done. Okay, alright, so now mascara, Sky High from Maybelline. Very quick lip combo. REFY. This is in the shade Umber. Oh my god. I have to take off my lip balm. The KIKO lip gloss. This is in the shade 35. It's my fifth. Looks so good. Okay, that's it. This is my makeup look. I hope you like it. And you got ready with me on time. Not really. I had only 12 minutes and it's already almost 15 minutes. But I love you. See you next time. Bye bye.